Hey Miss Sunshine, I cannot tell you how excited I am for this unboxing. It's literally so freaking amazing. Okay, so here in my hands today, I have the very first ever Pinch Me Beauty subscription box unboxing on my channel. I'm so excited. Okay, so here's a little bit of a backstory. Pinch Me is a subscription box that I kind of started out filming on my channel years ago. Like, I've been doing YouTube for 3 years, and this box was one of the boxes that I first started out with, and I kind of started getting a lot of views on. Pinch Me was like a subscription site, and I'm going to keep saying subscription because it's not a subscription in the sense where you enter your credit card information and you get a box every month. At a certain day, at a certain time of every month, you could go on their website and they would send you free full-size products of random stuff. I got pancake mixes, I got beauty supplies, I got a whole bunch of different stuff. It was kind of really like influencer, except you didn't have to enter your credit card information, which you don't with influencer, but it wasn't meant for like people who were interested in influencing. It was just people who were looking for free stuff. So I kind of totally forgot about the box because I got distracted with YouTube, and they reached out to me and they were like, hey, do you want to try out our brand new beauty subscription box? And I was like, oh my gosh, yes, this is a subscription box in the sense of what a subscription box is. So there supposedly inside of this box is luxury beauty items. I cannot tell you how excited I am for this opportunity. I can't, like, it's just like, oh my gosh, like, look at how much this company has grown, and it's kind of made me feel like I've grown as well, that they reached out to me personally, and I was like, oh my gosh, like, I was in love with you guys for a long time, and now they're, like, contacting me to, like, unbox this box. It just made me feel so great, so I'm so excited to see what's in this box. Okay, so this is literally what I had delivered to my door. There's a, Pinch Me brand name, like their logo on tape that's like outside of this super cute brown paper packaging. So let's rip this sucker open. Yes. Okay. Ooh, I'm so excited. I cannot tell you how excited I am. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It's so cute. Yes, we got some colors, we got some patterns. At first I thought this was like a makeup brush at first glance from like side profile, but this is not a makeup brush. Okay, so then we have their social medias on the side of the box. Let's get into this. I'm so excited. I've been looking forward to this since it arrived. Oh, they have my name on it. It says, hey Elizabeth, I hope you love our September Pinch Influence Beauty Box. I've listed the brands below with some key highlights about each of the products. I'm not gonna look. I don't want to know what's in here. I already looked too far into this, so I just saw one of the brands in here. We got some pink tissue paper, super pretty. Yes. Oh, we got bubble wrap. Let's take a bubble wrap break. Oh, we're running out of bubbles already. Oh, that's it. No more bubbles. Okay. Oh my gosh, we have a rubber band in here. We have some products bundled together. Ooh. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out, oh my god, okay, I'm so excited, is this Twice Early Bird Premium Toothpaste, and we have another premium toothpaste. So what's the difference? Okay, so we have Early Bird and Twilight. Oh my god, a morning and nighttime toothpaste. Who would have thought? Look, they're so pretty. I love this one, obviously black and purple, so cute. So this one is Twice Early Bird Wintergreen and Peppermint Toothpaste, and this is Twice Twilight Peppermint with vanilla and lavender. They both offer teeth whitening, cavity protection, and sensitivity relief. These are massive bottles of toothpaste. Okay, I can't wait to smell. Yes, I'm actually really way more excited to smell the nighttime one. I don't know why I did not grab that first. Okay, so this just smells like your plain Jane, like, you know, peppermint toothpaste. That's cool. But let's see what this one's gonna smell like. Okay, so this one, I can definitely smell the lavender. It smells really calming, actually. But there's still a very lovely, like, peppermint scent to it. So while that may sound gross, it actually, like, it works together really well in, like, a calming way. Okay, really, really super cool. And then there's a little card that comes with it. So maybe we'll get into the card later, because I cannot wait to see what's in the rest of this box. So I also have, ooh, what is this? Oh my god, it's a 4-step facial for tired skin. So we have Dewy Glow, Boost Hydration, Nourish and Protect, and Revitalize Dull Skin. So there's like different steps, like all the steps. We have step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay, so step 1 is Recover. cleansing foam. Gently massage the entire face and rinse with lukewarm water. Step 2 is soothe and nurture tired skin. Gently cleanse away dead skin, oil, and residue. Infuse skin with intensive hydrating sheet mask. Lock in moisture, nourish skin. Helps improve the youthful appearance of your eyes. Then we have step 3, which is recover, moisturize, and clean. Massage onto neck and face. And step 4, revitalizing eye cream. Gently pat around the eyes, lips. I've never received anything like this in any subscription box ever. That is so freaking amazing. Oh my god, I cannot wait to use that. Okay. Oh my god, I thought this box was ending so soon. I was like, oh, there's only one more thing, and it kind of felt sad. But no, there's a second layer of products. Okay. Holy crap, what? We have a Nomad eyeshadow palette in here. Yo! Yes! Oh my god. Okay, so sorry for ripping the packaging. That's just kind of how I do things around here. Let's look at how beautiful this packaging is. Yes. Oh my god. Hello. How are you, sis? Yes. Okay. Ooh. Yes, I love the brights in here. Look at that bright blue. That's caught my attention so quickly. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I love the colors in this. Absolutely beautiful. And I love the little like embossing in the, I should probably turn it like how you would actually look at it instead of upside down. Boom. Look how beautiful that is. That is so pretty. I can't wait to play with that. And I really love, I almost just dropped the entire box. Oh my gosh, I caught it though. I love the exterior packaging of this palette. It is so pretty. Okay, the only thing I didn't check, yep, we have shade names underneath of the pans. So that is really, really pretty. There are 2 things left inside of this box, and I'm really sad that it's ending because I am so freaking happy with this box. Like, I've been so sad about Boxycharm, and I've really been looking for other alternatives, and I've been signing up for every alternative available, but everything just kind of feels like it's repeating itself. But I haven't received a box like this in a hot minute, so I'm very, very happy with this box so far. Okay, so there are 2 more things in here. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Patchology Mood Patch Keep Smiling Soothing Tea Infused Aromatherapy Lip Gels. Sweet violet, lavender, and coconut extract to de-stress, soothe, and hydrate. Okay, I didn't know my lips were stressed, but they probably are because I'm stressed. So we have 5 different patches in here. This is super cute. I just love this. Like, this just screams like spring and Easter me. So cute, so feminine, so fun, and like little girly, and that's exactly what I want in most of my makeup packaging. And then the last thing that I'm pulling out is, I don't know. I have no idea. I can't tell you because there's no... It's a lip treatment, I can tell you that. There's no like brand name on this box. It just says lip treatment. Okay. K Duraja MD, which I have never heard of, but that would explain the like clean feeling packaging. Okay, oh, here we go. This is what it is. It's a lip pumping amplifier for high volume and smooth texture. Okay, I'm gonna put this on now so we can see throughout the rest of this video if it really does lip plump. Oh my god, it tastes and smells like watermelon, which I appreciate. I was like, I really hope this doesn't taste like bad. And it just tastes and smells like really sweet, like lip smackers lip gloss. Okay, so let's see if that has any lip plumping action. It doesn't burn. It just has like a peppermint feeling, like a cooling sensation on my lips. But you know how like the Too Faced lip injection lip gloss burns because of the cinnamon oil in it? This feels more pepperminty. Okay, so let's take a hot minute and talk about everything that I got in the box. So the Nomad Cosmetic Marrakesh Medina palette. Oh, I was really hoping that we would get like a pricing. Oh, nope. That lip gloss is definitely starting to burn. I was hoping that we were gonna have a pricing breakdown on this. So basically it just tells me the brand, what hashtags I should use, their Instagram, and key call outs. So like, for example, for the Medina palette, it has 15 brilliant eyeshadow shades. Then we have the KD High Volume Lip Plumping Amplifier. Do my lips look any more plump because they're really starting to burn? Multifunctional lip treatment that protects lips while helping restore hydration, youthful volume, and beautifully natural color. What is it? Like, it's like, I have some on my tongue, and even my tongue is going numb. Like, while I'm describing, the words that I'm using may sound like I'm describing an allergic reaction. It feels like a lip plumping lip gloss, but it's gotten on my tongue, so now I can't feel my tongue. We have the Patchology Mood Patch Keep Smiling Lip Gels, the IPO Cosmetics Recover 4-Step Facial, and the Twice Toothpaste. So I'd love to hear your feedback on the Pinch Influence box and the products. We do a new beauty box every month, so please shoot me an email if you'd like to receive our October box. Yes, I'm totally gonna reach out to them. Oh my God, my lips. Okay, this is super intense. Like, it kind of, like, on the outside, like right here on my lips, it kind of hurts a little bit. Maybe I shouldn't have put on 2 layers, but I can't feel my lips. Like, everything's numb. The tip of my tongue and my lips are numb. So that is everything that I received in my September Pinch Me box. I'm so happy with this box. It's just a really nice, refreshing breath of air. Are my lips plump? Like, can please somebody tell me if my lips plump? I'm so curious. But it was really nice. It was really refreshing. It's really nice to be introduced with, like, Nomad. I only ever receive an Ipsy, and I only ever receive eyeshadow singles. I've never received an eyeshadow palette from Nomad. It's nice to be introduced to a variety. I got makeup, I got skincare, and that is the combination that I care about. I don't just want to receive a box full of skincare, and I sometimes, well, I love makeup, I want to receive some skincare products that I've never been introduced to. Plus, it's brands that I'm not familiar with. Like, I'm familiar with Nomad, but I'm not like, yes, I know Nomad, like the back of my hand. So it's really nice. It was a very nice, like, it was just so refreshing to unbox this box, and I'm really happy with it. So what did you guys think of my September Pinch Me box? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video.